Hello everyone. So last video I showed you how to take care of the dwarf hamster, and I have given you a glimpse of my Syrian hamsters. I'm yet to make a video of them because they will be very active in the night. So probably I will make a video later tonight and I will upload it tomorrow. So you can check that as well. So before that, I just want to show you how you can start petting your or taming your hamster. So for that, you should start doing it from very young age. And if you have got an adult hamster, so be prepared to take some time, even if it is very young age. You have to start doing few things before you start handling them on the hand. So let me start with the basic things. So whenever you buy hamsters, do not try to disturb them when they are sleeping, because they will get very irritated. And I have couple of videos which I can post initially how they used to react whenever I try to touch them when they are sleeping or when they are in the cage. And they will be very territorial in the cage. So wherever they are there, they leave their scent and they will become very territorial in their cage. Initially he has bitten me a couple of times, he has bitten me multiple times, so I know how to get rid of that. I didn't had some understanding initially, but now I do have. So let me show you how to do that. So for that, first you should start hand feeding them. And right now I have taken a couple of things as a treat. I have some dried worms, and I also have turtle pellets. You can see that same turtle pellets I have kept in their bowl, but still I will try to give it through hand. So for initial time, you can do one thing. You can take some treats. Either it could be an cookie or any food item or a piece of bread. You can start giving to them and you can hand feed them. So they are rodents. They will eat everything a rat can eat. So probably you can understand what you can feed them. So for first initial time, try to hand feed them, and they will try to take it from your hand. Since this one was drinking water, I don't want to disturb him, so I will go ahead with the other one and I will try to give him a worm and show you how you can do that. Okay, this one has come. So here you can see, if I give him through hand, he will take it and he will eat. So you should start giving him treats in this way, so that he will become very familiar with your scent and your touch. So you can start doing with that. Also make sure that you wash your hands properly whenever you try to pet them. And the next step is, you can start doing this. And the next step is, do not handle them directly with your hand whenever you take them out of the cage. For example, you can take a bowl like this, a bigger bowl, a glass bowl or plastic one. You can simply place this bowl in the cage. They might come directly into it like this one, or if they don't come, just place some treats into it. They will be attracted to go into it. Okay, once they got into the bowl, you can take out the bowl and you can leave them in a play area, a place outside their cage, outside their territorial markings, so that they won't become too much aggressive whenever you touch them here. So you can start touching them, or try to hold them. They might try to run initially, but they will slowly get used to you, and they will try to stay with you whenever you hold, or when you take them out. So this way they will slowly get used to your scent and they won't bite, and they will be very comfortable to stay in your hands. And you can start touching them slowly like this. You can pet them and give them treats, and always handle them carefully. Do not handle them tight, or do not flip them back like this. They will feel very difficult. And also try to place your palm like this, and with the other palm try to give a place for them to move around. So since I have a camera on my hand, I won't be able to show, but that's how you can do. And whenever you do that, try to place it back into the cage very carefully. And you can also give one more treat whenever you place them back, so that they understand that whenever you take them like that, they get some treats. Okay, that way they start coming to you and they will play with you. Once they get used to your scent, even though they are sleeping, they won't get disturbed by your touch. so that you can pet them anytime. And since hamsters are most of the times active in the night, so preferably you can start doing in the night time initially, and once they get used to you, you can probably pet them in the daytime as well. Hello? He don't want it. Yes, so this is for the video right now, and I will probably make next video of the Syrian hamster, and I will make more videos how you can take care of your hamsters. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment. I will respond you very quickly, and you can clear that. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.